Daddy Michael, the food done ready. Oh. Calm down, make I quickly serve you now.
This man! 70 years old man.
Yeah, well, no problem. I dey come downstairs now. Kai, see as my neighbor for my backyard just dey chop like every night when they cook food. Now so the smell of the food go dey terrorize me for night. Not anymore.
Are you playing?
As from this evening then, na me go dey terrorize everybody for this neighborhood. If me I no fit chop, nobody go chop.
Not be juju be.
Hey! My husband come oh, they don't take our food. Who be the person we go dey do this kind of wicked thing? Yeah, wetin happen? Wait, why they shout like that? Hey, my husband, see oh, pot of soup when I cook finish, I leave am to make it just cool down small. Person don't come carry the whole pot of soup run. With this wicked human being we go scoop so low, so shameless, so diabolical, so evil,
70 years old man.
so full of nonsense. We go do this kind thing for this area. No worry, my dear. It's just a matter of time. We go catch that thief for this area.
They have left you behind.
For the past few months now, me just dey terrorize everybody for this neighborhood. But no be money I dey thief oh. My own na food. Na the new regime be that. As long as I see food chop, I fit endure the economic hardship.
May God not allow them to kill you.
Wetin be that smell? It be like say these people don't cook another better soup like the last time when I go there. This one I must plan out well. Oh. I know say they go dey secure that food.
You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
Make I quickly go see wetin dey happen.
Oh, mumu know too much.
Hey, make I dey walk through. I need to dey careful. Correct, nobody there around. This one now you dey call taking candy from a baby. I don't miss this woman's soup gone. Don't take. Hold it right there, Mr. Tom. So now you be the thief for this area. Don't take what on the plan for you. Hey, God, I'm on a trap. Oh. Hey, they don't catch me red handed. Hey, Jesus, my husband, conceal now, Mr. Tom. Now be the thief for this local government. Can you imagine? So now you they do all this bad thing for this area. Yeah, you all don't finish, Mr. Tom.
70 years old man.
Yes, my dear. As like I told you before, I know so if we set better trap for this guy, we go catch him. I don't dey talk and say we go catch him. It's just a matter of time. Hey, God. Oga, Madam, I beg no vex. Now hunger in the land, now the cause of this thing. The hunger too much. I beg. My friend, will you keep quiet? I beg, officer, I'm gonna carry this criminal come off my compound. I beg. I don't want the feeling evil spirit around us again. But Mr. Tommy, now they go now. I don't tire to they follow you talk. Maybe we will reach station. You go change your life. Or yeah, move, Jerry.
Thank you very much, my country people. I'm glad you enjoyed our program. Please hit like and subscribe to support our cause.